Welcome. This is a beginner to expert course on how to do investing yourself. Today we're going to start out fairly easy, and as you progress throughout the course, things will get a little bit more challenging, but don't worry, I'll be here. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with a basic overview. Why are you taking this course? Is this course for you? How do you use the information in a way that actually allows you to apply it properly? And a basic note of encouragement just to finalize everything at the end. And so I started studying investing around 2016, reading a number of different books related to just general investing, technical analysis, value investing, all terms that you'll learn throughout the course. And I've now honed that into a format that I believe everyone can understand. I focus on helping beginners become more confident, long-term investors, both in individual companies and overall passive funds in case you don't have time. I follow renowned investors like Warren Buffett, Pryor, Charlie Munger, and Monish Pabrai. I run a YouTube channel, of course, because that's why you're here, focus on specifically value investing and general education of investing. And I created the app StockFlow, which we'll go into more later. You're not required to use it if you don't want to use it, but it effectively allows me to analyze companies more quickly, look at a portfolio in a way that I can track and have alerts, and so on. So starting with the resources that you'll need to succeed in the course. I'd start by looking at the YouTube description box below to find the Google Drive link and the associated slide that I'm using, and there's documents for each individual lesson that will give you questions and readings depending on the lesson of what you need to look at. I'd also create a folder either on your tablet or on your computer just so you can keep all these files organized. And what goes without saying, have a stable internet connection, of course. Be prepared to either perform what are called paper transactions, which is where you write down each buy and sell, whatever you're doing theoretically and not actually purchasing something, or more ideally, open a real brokerage account so you can actually perform the transactions. Next, I would say have around 2 to 3 hours per week of dedicated time so you can actually immerse yourself in both the lessons that we're doing here, as well as any associated readings. And finally, have an open mindset. So I would say if you are a beginner, especially to all this, which many of you, of course, will be, just make sure that you know that you're just starting out. There's going to take some time to be able to understand the terms and the concepts, and you may have to be able to read and reread over and over again until you fully understand it. But I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible, so don't be concerned. So moving on to the software that I'll be using throughout the course in order to analyze individual companies. You won't necessarily need to do this if you're investing in more broad diversified funds, but we'll get more into that later. This is an optional tool. There are a variety of different tools you can use throughout the internet. I'm not requiring anyone to use this. I have it bolded here as saying it is not mandatory. If people would like to use it and support me, and it is free to sign up for, and there's also a paid version if you want more premium features, but again, you're not required. So this gives you access to the basics like financial statements, valuation tools, portfolio tracking, if those are things that you want. And again, you're supporting me if you go to a more premium version where you get 15 years of data, you'll get more one-to-one support if you choose to do that. So the next big question is, why are you taking the course? This obviously differs for everyone depending where they are in their lifespan, and so I'll cover it for as many cases as I possibly can. For a lot of people, they simply just don't understand the terminology and they don't have a starting point. Of course, I'll provide as much clarity as I possibly can on that. The next would be, how do I invest on the basis of where I am in my life? How do I increase my net worth? How do I increase my income levels? How do I do a combination of both? Next, we move on to which specific stocks should I look at? Which specific funds should I look at? How much diversification am I looking at that I would need to be safe given whatever happens in the world? The final point would be, if you really need supportive education, or for anyone for that matter, if you have any individual questions, you can email the email I have here. I'll leave it in the description below. Next, we look at who this course is for. This course is primarily for beginners or intermediate levels looking to level up their knowledge a little bit more. I wouldn't say this is necessarily for anyone who has a very deep level of knowledge in investing. I'm going to go through a lot of the basics and then progress as we go throughout the course. You do not need any particular education to do this. Yes, it is nice to have some math courses to be able to do some of the more complex stuff. I'm going to try and give you tools so that you effectively have to do almost no math so that it's not very complicating. So moving on to how you should use the course most effectively in order to actually get the highest rate of return and the goals that you would like to achieve. I'd first start by saying, of course, watch the lesson and read the associated document that's attached with each slide, and you'll see that within the Google Doc. Ideally, read the books that I give you. I'm not going to give a crazy number of books for people to read, but there might be some articles, some different things on the internet, some websites I think people should look at as supplementary in order to reinforce some of the concepts. And of course, I'll obviously do some write-ups to make that easier. And the next, of course, is act on the tasks I actually give out. I think the best way to learn, bar none, is actually doing the thing that you want to do. If you want to learn to do a language, you actually have to speak that language. If you want to learn to invest, you actually need to invest. And so I just wanted to end off on a note of encouragement, just to say you are capable of doing this. If you follow all the documentation that I give, whether it be the readings or the videos that we go throughout, you will be able to understand this and use the tools I provide to become a great investor. I look at the man in the picture here, Phil Town. He started out as a riverboat guide and became one of the greatest investors on Wall Street, running the Rule Number 1 fund. So if he can do it, then you can do it. And so in the next lesson, we're going to go right into the meat and potatoes of what is investing. Look forward to seeing you there.